Just got my running. Cardio all week long. Out here with my workout partner. Yeah. Okay. I just woke up not too long ago. I just washed and put on my workout clothes. I think I'm gonna start filming my workout journey because I think I'm pretty serious this time, and I just want to stay healthy and I want to get the body that I want. So I went running with Jada yesterday, and today I'm running with an old friend. So I'm getting ready for that, and then tomorrow I'll be going on a hike with my friends. So it's a pretty productive, active week. I think I'm gonna maybe do some workouts in the morning, but I think Friday will be like a chill day. Like I won't really do anything. I'll just rest and then start up again the next week. So just want to let you know I'll be taking you guys on my journey. But this is the outfit that I'm wearing. So I have this Adidas sports bra that may be too small, but it's cute, so I don't care. And I have these biker shirts that I got from Nordstrom Rack. So they're my favorite slippers ever, but my hair is just slicked back because I literally still haven't gotten my hair done. My hair appointment is Friday, so I'm rocking my bun. I'm feeling good. I like when I wear my natural hair because I feel more free, so, but not complaining, have an appointment. So, but next will be these nails. Yeah. These are the people I usually go to, but they just been disappointing me. So I'm gonna try somewhere new. But stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know if I'll bring my camera for this run, just because like it's an old friend and I haven't seen him in some time, so I don't know if I want to bring the camera with him, but I'll put some footage of the run.
Turn around. Say hey to the vlog.
We're almost there. It's been a long drive, but almost there.
I don't know why, but it felt fun to me.
I mean, it's a little lengthy, but you know, this is enough.
Black and
That's it, y'all. Oh my God, no, it's not. That is not it. That better not. You gotta go to my cousin. Yo, what the hell? Look at that. Oh, that better not be the mail, y'all.
okay.
And then there's 2 parking spots here.
Okay. All right.
Me and my friends here, they're
Finally making it.
So we finally made it and we're stopping so we can write, what should we call it? We're basically writing things that we want to let go. So once we get to the top, we'll just rip it up and throw it, and then we'll be free, we'll feel free, we're letting it go. So Jada's finishing hers, Tanaya finished hers. I have to write mine. But we're pretty ready. A what? Drive was about an hour. Yeah. Oh, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing, well, I put my hair up. A Nike sports bra, some yoga pants I got from, where I get these from? Ross. And some old Adidas. And my fanny pack. I'm very prepared. This ain't no joke. You got yours done?
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna write mine and see you on the trail. Hello, we're starting.
No. I keep saying I don't have no service. Like, I remember when we came in.
Alright, I'm recording it, so alright, this is where we parked. Oh,
Okay, this is the trail. My damn thing on my damn arm.
yeah.
It's bears out here. Bears they can be my food, they get into some shit all here. It can be dangerous. Oh, bears.
Yeah, I'm glad I put these on.
This is a workout.
Yeah, I'm tired already.
I was just about to say that.
Ain't no way. We barely got anywhere. Like, we all breathing heavy. Like,
Yo, that's really hilarious.
oh, this is nice. Like,
I would never run like this. This would be me falling down on the damn thing.
be back once we get a little higher, because this work out.
Yes.
Where can I go? Oh. Alright, stopping for a water break. Yeah. We've been walking longer than this, but that's where I got it too. How y'all feeling?
I'm feeling good. Yeah.
I feel good. I'm
feeling good. I can't open my water. I do feel good, but Jesus.
Oh, see this way.
I underestimated it.
Yeah, I did too. I'm thinking it's gonna be sweet. Hardly.
Do you do this often?
No, I've never done it.
Okay.
Oh.
Usually go down there by the water. I usually
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. All right, you too. Whew. Water break. Hold on, let me get my water.
Can you buy me a camera? I just want to start taking pictures.
I know.
No, but this shit is like an hour up.
Yeah.
So we only
What's
been 15
these
minutes.
things? These are orange.
But we did like 10, 15 before we started.
Yeah. We look off. Ooh. Controlling my breathing. The hills are no joke. It's so quiet out here. We took a little pit stop.
I can hear myself think. Like,
It's so quiet.
like
Very peaceful.
I was waiting to hear the birds. The water had got me, but the birds, they be different.
And the flies. Excuse me. Which way?
Yeah, we keep walking straight.
I think you have fallen to a ditch or something.
Yeah. Well, maybe.
Which
it's this
way,
'cause we got the
guys?
sign,
Right, I was thinking that.
but like,
But we've been walking straight.
I'm scared.
I don't think we should go left.
Yeah, I don't think we should go left.
No left. Damn.
Y'all want to just go?
So
where the sign
wait.
is?
Does that mean anything?
I'm glad you caught that.
Yeah. Right.
Go back. This is where we came from.
Right.
So it's either straight or right.
I'm thinking right because of the sign.
Right.
That's
The
what
little
I'm saying
squiggly line.
And then
Oh, and that, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's just follow the trail. Cool. I'm not even gonna see what this remind me of until I get
Get from over here.
These bugs ain't no freaking joke. Y'all, if y'all go hiking, make sure you wear bug spray. Lots and lots of it. It's my better side anyway. I'm not talking shit. Whew. Still going. Focus.
Baby, where's the rocks going?
What the hell do we do?
Why is it fucking...
Alright, let's see.
Why are they buzzing in my ear?
Okay, I guess this way?
Yeah, I'm about to say, I think it's this way.
That can also be a way.
The fucking, we need a compass.
Right.
Shit. Y'all got GPS over here?
Wait,
I thought you was leading the way.
Yo,
Right. No, I feel like it's this way though.
but look at that way.
Y'all scaring me.
Pausing workout.
Well, I don't know, bro. Like, this is like, it's a...
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh,
Okay, we only live once. Let's try it. Yeah. Whatever happens, happens at this point.
Right.
No, not whatever happens. No, I mean,
watching
like,
over
like
us.
whatever way we get there.
God, let us
This
get her
probably low-key
safely.
gonna take us back up
Yeah, I
a
feel like
different
it is.
side. What kind of places y'all think these is? Are?
I used to know what these names were.
There's a little Christmas tree plant. Like a little Christmas tree.
All I know is all of these plants
Yeah,
out here are
overalls.
evergreens. I know that.
Don't worry about it. Hiking, crossing the rocks. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna go this way.
Which way you going?
This way.
Let me go that way. I ain't go that way. My feet are wet.
Ooh.
Come on,
We around here. Oh, that's a big ass joint of water.
They not dead serious with this shit.
Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why you get on this log?
I don't know which way to go.
Step on that rock that got the footprint on it.
That one?
Yes.
I can't.
Why did you get on the log? All right, bet. We up here.
No, I don't know. Yeah, I'm about to go up here just to get from down there.
We did it. We did it. At least they not sudsing. Oh, Jada, we gotta get out of these bricks.
How did we get down there?
Alright, it's 1:30. It's me. I'm vlogging. Ooh. That's the alarm. It's 1:30. We just crossed the rocks.
Yo, what the fuck, yo? Wait,
See y'all when we make it to a different. We catch up when we get to where we about to go.
Oh
Oh, we went the wrong way.
no! Like idiots.
We're heading back to the pond or whatever it is called. Like, it's been 3 miles. So, headed back.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh God. Oh, way down there.
Pausing workout.
What? Alright. Oh, I see.
Oh. That is such a pretty little butterfly thing or whatever this was. Security guys.
It's recording. Second time.
Oh my gosh!
Where's your phone?
My
All right, cool. All right, please get over there. Don't worry about the bugs. Just go.
I don't know.
Jada back at it again. No log, Jada.
I'm not. I'm trying to figure out
That rock.
this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
But where am I put this leg at?
You gonna step on that big one.
You think so?
Yeah. Okay. And it's me. Oh, wait. Let me put my damn phone up. Okay.
I know. What you be doing? I be getting my same left foot wet.
I'll be practicing in my dreams.
Yes, I know.
But the thing is, y'all called it before we did it.
Yeah, before we went all the way, like.
Look at the top. We in the jungle with Mufasa. Where from? Oh shit. Let me get it. Oh, I'm so cute. We're off to see the Wizard of Oz.
Right? You parked right near Route 80, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So you came up, ding, 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 ding. This is the trail intersection that you just passed. So you're somewhere in here, and you go into here.
Okay. All right. Where we at?
I'd say somewhere in here.
Okay. So do you know like what would you say like estimated like miles?
Well, this says the Appalachian Trail is 6.6,
Okay.
but I'm not quite sure what that means. Because does that mean from here to here?
Right.
I always thought it was 4.5 maybe.
Okay. All right. So we did about halfway, like you said. Oh, and where you get this
You
map
probably
from?
did the steepest elevation too.
Okay.
Oh, that's bad.
We did a great job for our first time.
Yeah.
All right.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day. I ain't gonna go all the way, but. What movie is it? Frozen. When they take them to the rock people. Oh yeah. That's what that shit look like. I ain't gonna get too close, but. Really, what that look like? Wow.
You want to go in there?
I'm nervous. It looks nice though.
Start rolling and turn into people. Instead of singing.
Nice. Look how high. We only get higher.
Resuming workout.
Good back there? Yeah. Oh, back at it again. Where'd they go? All right. Look at these rocks. Yo. The guy said, beware. Nothing important. Yo. I wouldn't even know where we at. Well, gotta keep going. Nothing of any importance. Yeah.
Resuming workout.
At least we see some sky. Hopefully this meaning. Yeah. Oh, I'm scared. I think so. Almost there, guys.
Girl, I'm
Okay,
like,
so
what the hell?
we've been going the wrong way
for a long time.
for a long time, but
Our math got
we got some good exercise
This is
in
like
today.
the most
Like,
funnest thing I ever did.
we never did anything like this before, and I'm
And it
proud
was
of us.
free.
Yeah, for free. We're enjoying nature, so
We ain't had nobody ain't talked to no Instagram this whole
No.
time, no Twitter,
just
no text
just
message,
real
no
life
nothing.
and nature.
Yes.
So we'll try again another day, but we're out and I hit my toe and this shit hurts. So we're out of here and we'll see you when we get to the car. Still not back yet. This has been a long day. Great adventure though. Since we weren't able to make it to the top, we just want to get rid of our messages. Ready, guys?
Yes, let's go.
Just let it go.
Let it go, let it go. What Summer Walker say?
I'm still learning the lyrics. Do you guys see what I see? Land, I hear cars. All right, we made it to the car.
Did it.
And that's the end of our hike. We're going to get some food and showers and yeah.